Hey, what's up, Aiden? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be building this header in our e-commerce application. So the tutorial I want to be doing now is just going to be short tutorial, so you can be able to catch up everything at once. So we're going to be building this header. You make sure you've exported this. So if you don't know how to export, just make sure you click on the icon, come to this side, you see export and export into X. Okay, so after exporting, what I did was I created an asset folder with an image folder inside the asset folder, then I pasted all the images inside here. So what you can do now is you can go to the prospect here. So you can go to this place, then you can uncomment all this. Okay, so what I want to do is change this to assets slash images. Alright, so with that done, okay, and this is our app here. So that was where we stopped the last time. So we'll continue from here, and so when we click on sign in, you want to be able to move to this home page here. So we go to views, create another folder, call it home. So call it home view dot. So now home view dot, we use the statement widget. Then we'll call this home view. Okay. So now in the login page, login view, so we can say when signing is clicked on, we can go to our home view. Okay, so use gettext to move to the home view. So now that in the home view, so we are in the home view. You can go back and can say scaffold. Okay, now I want to just build this app bar. So this one to build. So we're going to say app bar. Okay, so the first one is the title. Well, the first one is actually this hamburger here. So we're going to call this leading. So that is leading. So it accepts a reject. Asset slash images slash. It is called hamburger.png. So we're going to copy it. My bad. So it's called hamburger.png. So when I save this, I see the logo is here, but the icon is there. So let me just scale it a little bit down. So okay, so 1.5 is okay. So after here, the next one is not action. Next one is a title, which also accepts a widget. This is going to be image.assets. Okay, so basically same thing, but this time around it is called export.png. You can see, so you need to scale this, you need to reduce it. So it's a scale 1.5 as well. Okay, I'm gonna provide a little bit to so it's 1.8. Okay, 1.8 is good. So we look at this has this particular stuff here. So I wasn't able to like group them and export, so I basically just exported only this one. So the last we need now is the bag. So we're going to use action for the bag. So we're going to call our image dot asset again. I'm going to paste basically what we did the last time, but this time around the is called bag-2.png. So we're going to give this bag-2.png. So you can see our bag here, and obviously what we want to do, you want to scale it as well. Okay, so you have it there. And you'll notice that our bag inside was a rounded white stuff. So what we can do is we can wrap this, we can add this with a container, right? So right on the container here, we can see decoration, box decoration. We can just the shape, you can see box shape should be circle. Okay, I can just I can say color should be color that's white. So basically we see nothing yet. We just need to pass padding. So I pass padding, I'll say const edge. Now if you look at it, I'm not sure if you can see it from the screen recording, but it is here already, as you can see. So that's what we need, because okay, I think in order for us to see it, let me make this colors of black so you can know that it's still okay. We can not this one, sorry, the app by itself. Like you can see now it is here. Okay, so once I want to do is now make this elevation should be 0. Okay, and I want to shift this stuff away from this side. We're just going to do padding I'm going to say padding only to the right. Okay, good. Alright, so in the next tutorial we're going to be building this search text field.